No, 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 no. No woman no cry. No woman no cry. No, 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 no.
You, a struggling producer, you've been doing a lot in Barbados before Rihanna, and I always say that because there was something about Rihanna. But before there was a Rihanna, there was a Bonga Lights that was trying to do his thing and trying to show Barbados in a positive light and trying to do certain things with the camera when nobody was thinking about making movies in Barbados. You was the one. But look what you got for your look what's your reward. Look at what your reward was for doing that. Nothing. But they would come, another man would come from America now. Well, my man would come from America, the same idea as you, sit down with them, and they would say, yo, here's $1 million.
And I can't get a cent.
And you can't get a cent.
That's why me I burn fire upon all them politicians, boy. Just now around the corner, you see April come, me lock it down, you know. Pure fire, you know, not joke thing, you know. We give them enough time, you know, because see when April come, ain't no turning back, you know. So when we lock them days, it's serious, you know, so prepare for judgment around that time, you know what I mean? Ain't got much talk to them. We don't want to talk, we want I deal with action. You hear everything? It's called me camera, lights, action. That's what I deal with. I don't come to play them games with a politician. I don't play them games. If you're going to get on board and help this movie industry, come and get on board and deal with I. Don't come and tell me, oh yes, I get this, we should do this or we can do this. Or I'm about that.
Yeah.
Because like I tell you before, I was the first one who was pushing this here a long time before a lot of these people they even think about doing a movie. I come, I make one or two little things in the early to be exact, around the 90. I started from the 88. I filmed all the whole of Swan Street. First time I get a camera, I went whole Swan Street. I filmed Swan Street all about town and record. Then I start doing one or two little short films. There I did film crop over all the things I was doing. And I started Hollywood. I want to do a full length movie. I even I tell Mia Motley when she then was in power. I went to the she was there in the Central Bank. They had something at the end. I see she and I tell she, listen, I'm gonna make a movie. And the following year, I made a movie. That was real bad, man. But I hadn't gotten to finish it as yet. And the film festival came up, so Mamu tell me, well, yeah, come, bring what you got, put it together wherever you got, and bring it. And that movie real bad, man. Carried the swing that year. And then I heard about the next year I can do the full length movie. And I did take them out. Even though I had so much technical problems there that it even made me wear glasses because I had to spend nights trying to correct because I wasn't using a professional program and I was just using the desktop computer, whereas Mac is the more professional computer to edit video, you know, and that sort of stuff. And I did it. And we had some technical problems, so I wasn't going to carry it in the film festival, but the director of the film festival, Mahmoud, told me bring it still. We were explaining to the people. And this movie beat Jamaica, St. Lucia, and Trinidad. You know when you could beat Jamaica with a movie? I even beat the man that did Third World Cup when they were shooting Hit It for Six. And he comes up to me, and we introduce to one another, and he shake my hand and say, yeah man, your movie is, I know say man, you know your movie is better than my movie. And he's telling me, no man, your movie is better than my movie. So I said, okay. I said, but you know what I mean, these people are who, as directors and movie makers, when you see a man do things, can be honest enough to say, well yeah, you do a good work. You understand? Never yet. When a minister come and shake my hand and tell me, yeah. I get even the same one, I want to respect the Nap Ayakobi. When Ayakobi came back here, I can remember even when the same place that when they had the earthquake, I started the same place that Ayakobi shake my hand and tell me and shake me. This youth shake me like he was some sort of important, like he was the prime minister there. The way how he shake my hand, tell me keep at the works there and bless me that day. And that's why I would always remember that day that Ayakobi shake my hand and bless me and tell me, yeah, keep at the good work. You know what I mean? The movie thing, you hear a lot about me and keep it up. That time he was studying in Trinidad. 2 and 4, right? And I did that there, so and since the film festival, the Bridgetown Film Festival been stopped and they me go on, I still kept on doing my stuff even before any financial help. or so I need cameras and up-to-date equipment to continue my stuff. But I still doing my thing. I got a movie there now called Hard Times that I'm going to start working upon there just now.
Would you like? Well, you would like some assistance? So right now, let them know what you would need, my brother, to help you with this movie you got going now.
First of all, we really need to get it. The people to get it is no problem. I got people there, so locked already there, so. And what we need is some funds to help, you know.
The equipment, you need some equipment and stuff like that to make it a lot better.
Yeah.
To make it.
I got a list of things there I need, but I say if I don't think I'm a man, I learn to work with what I got. You understand?
Right.
So if they don't help me, I gonna have to work with what I got,
right.
and make it work, right?
Right. But right now you just sending out. You let them know.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Lashley was on the TV. I heard this morning saying how much Stephen Lashley, because you got 3 Lashleys in Parliament, so I got to identify which one. Stephen Lashley.
Serious and you mean it. Just let you know, I ready. I doing things and I want help.
But listen, you could call Bonga Lights, Mr. Stephen Lashley at
268-5948.
If you're really serious about
show me
the
that
arts,
serious.
and
Hey, you mean what you say?
Exactly. Yeah.
No, 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 woman, no cry.